I ask my clients what they like about smoking. Almost everyone says that they like this deep inhale. They say it helps them to relax. Imagine you're doing it right now. You're putting your cigarette into mouth, you're lighting it, and you're pulling that first draw. And now I'd like you to imagine doing the same thing, only without a cigarette. Just close your eyes. Imagine you're coming out outside. You're looking around, beautiful view, trees, sky, sunshine, fresh air. And you're taking a nice deep breath. Do it now. And you fill your lungs with fresh air. And now exhale slowly. And let's do this again. Deep breath in. Hold it for a moment. And breathe out all your tension. And another deep breath. Just allow that deep breath to carry you away from all your troubles. This is your escape from hectic life, from all your problems. And exhale all the heaviness and discomfort. Inhale, sense of stability, comfort, relaxation. Exhale all that does not feel good. Breathe in, sense of control, strength, confidence. Breathe out all your doubts and concerns. Imagine now that anytime you don't feel good, you get stressed, triggered, upset, tired, anytime you need a break, you'll come outside and you take a nice deep breath of fresh air. And perhaps then you won't have to smoke as much. Perhaps sometimes you won't even need a cigarette. Wouldn't that be wonderful? Perhaps from now on, you'll focus more on filling your lungs with fresh, clean air. And each and every day, you'll have less need in your cigarettes.